Welcome to my unboxing of JOYLDIAS Kids Ride-On Car. Here I use both the assistance of the manual and the video online. All the screws are already attached, so make sure to remove them when installing. You will need an extension head for the electric screwdriver. Then install the gearbox and the rear driving wheels. Now install the steering frame and the front wheels. Tighten all 4 lock nuts and flip the car over. Let's install the steering wheel correctly because wrong installation will cut the wire. To attach the battery, plug the red wire power connector to the red battery terminal. To attach the seat, make sure to connect to the back and add in the lock. Finally, snap in the windshield. Attach the rearview mirrors, the spare tire, the wheel covers, and the exhaust pipes. It's a Mercedes-Benz authorized car with storage space behind the seats. It can accommodate my 3-foot-tall 3-year-old or her 4-foot-tall 9-year-old brother. There are early education functions such as music, stories, Bluetooth, and speakers.
The fisherman and the fish. A fisherman was good.
The undercarriage lights have cool functions and a handle at the back of the car that can be dragged away at will. There's a parental remote control that requires pairing, that can go forward, backward, sideways, speed, and parking to keep my little one safe. And the big one's having fun. Enjoy your new ride!